boarding school. You're trying to get rid of me. No, this is just their sleepaway camp. It's just a couple of weeks. I can't go. They're coming tonight. Make friends. Or just a friend. I don't care about friends. I need to meet aliens. Why? Because there's 500 million habitable planets out there, and one of them's gotta want me. Because obviously you don't. Of course I do. We're family. You're not my family.
Все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра фотографии от